watched her walk from over by the Lexus, the blue Lexus, into another separate vehicle about 3 rows over. I can't confirm anything as of now, but based on the totality, it looks like she definitely entered that vehicle to commit a crime. So yes.
Hey, did we call PSL to see if they had a burglary, or did we already try that?
Alright, she's getting in her car.
Yeah, I'm confident based on everything we have, the PSL incident and this, she committed a burglary. Yeah, no black female should be in that car. The female is a registered Hispanic female owner. The husband said nobody should be in it. That's a black female. All right, it was 10:33. We're going to take it. Or you'll make contact with the front. I take the rear. 10:33. End of new traffic. Marshals.
Open the door. Open the door. Step out. Step out the vehicle. Face forward. Step out the vehicle. Face forward.
Or you on her? I got car.
Step to the left. Face forward. Step to the left.
Hey!
Walking backwards. Stop.